online store into a profitable business? In 2025, dropshipping on Shopify is one of the fastest ways to start generating high revenue, even if you're starting from scratch. The key is targeting high-paying clients in the United States and building a store that converts effortlessly. Start by identifying a niche with strong demand and low competition. Use data-driven tools to find products that appeal to high-paying clients in the United States. Once you select your products, set up a professional Shopify store optimized for conversions, product pages, fast loads, and seamless checkout. Next, focus on marketing strategies that reach high-paying clients in the United States. Leverage social media advertising, email